Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Suno AI create button not working. So let's begin. So first go to the official website, make sure you're logged in into the appropriate account. Now for example, we're going to click on the create tab. You have already detailed everything here on the custom or even the simple. Uh, Option, and whenever you hit create, it won't proceed or it won't do anything. And most likely this is grayed out or colored blue. Okay, so that only means one thing: your free futures, or you have already ran out of credits. Okay, so what you need to do, click on the left portion in here on the subscription. You need to carefully check and subscribe to get more credits and get more premium features. Or you can simply invite friends and share this link to earn more credits. There's actually 10 songs, and both will receive 250 free credits. And that's already a lot. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.